I created this worksheet with a specific formatting for adding two numbers that both have, or one or both have 3 digits using the partial sums tool. So let's take a look at what it looks like. The first thing a student does is grab the green color to add the ones, and we say 7 ones plus 8 ones is 15 ones. So we write a 15 so that the 15 ends in the ones column, and we actually highlight the 7 and the 8 plus 8 makes 15. Now we can talk a little bit more about how this is regrouping. Instead of writing 15 all in this one little box as 15 ones, we turn it into 5 ones and we kind of regroup or carry the 10. But in this strategy, we write it below instead of writing it above in other strategies. This kind of helps preserve the idea that there's really 15. You can see those 1 and the 5 right next to each other. Then we draw a line just to indicate that we're not going to write any other digits up there. All we have for the ones is 15. For the tens, we're going to go on to blue, and we always put a little 0 here. Some people call it a placeholder, but all of our tens end in 0, so it's helpful to write that first. Now we have 5 tens and 0 tens make 5 tens all together, and 5 tens really is 50. So that's great. We can do another line there as well. And you can see I still have some digits that haven't been traced over with the color. Those are the hundreds places. So we're going to get red to do that. We have 300 plus 200, which makes 500. And I write the 5 in the hundreds column. And we also have 2 zeros in these columns here so that we have 500 altogether. We can check that is 500. That does look right. We don't have any thousands here, so we're done adding all of the original numbers together and they're all highlighted in a color. So the final step of using the partial sums tool is a different color. Some people use purple. I have orange here. And it's to add up all of the digits, all of these parts here. So we've already added these ones. You could maybe even cross these off at this point if you needed to. Now we've already done everything above that line. Now we're going to add everything in here to get the final total. So 5 ones plus 0 and 0 ones is 5 ones. 1 10 plus 5 tens plus 0 tens is 6 tens altogether. And in the hundreds columns, we have nothing but 5, so we have 5 hundreds. Our final answer is 565.